Friends, today many students asked me, Sir, please teach me about William Shakespeare. Please teach me about William Shakespeare. Many students, and some of them like Ramlakhan, Ramnath, Praveen, and Sudhanshu, and different students asked me, and many times asked me, Sir, please give some ideas about William Shakespeare. No, so my friends, and I'm going to deal slowly in a simple way about William Shakespeare, and let you listen from beginning to last. Friends, शुरू से लास्ट तक आप जरूर देखेंगे, and I'm going to say about William Shakespeare and who is William Shakespeare and what type of contribution William Shakespeare had given to us in the world of English literature. My friends, William Shakespeare is the leading member in the world of English literature. Before William Shakespeare, and I hope like that you know about Christopher Marlowe, because in previous class I have also told you that who is Christopher Marlowe and what type of contribution Christopher Marlowe had given to us. But my friends, before Shakespeare, Christopher Marlowe, and who was very important and leading figure in English plays and dramas and English literature. But here I am talking about William Shakespeare after Christopher Marlowe, big figure, a leading figure and par excellence. Really, William Shakespeare had given great contribution, unbeatable contribution for coming generation and posterity through his literary skill, through his writing. But friends, I want to tell you the fact about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare came in this existence in 1564, and unfortunately, after giving a lot of contribution, he had gone from here in 1616. He was born in 1564, again repeating, and let you listen attentively, my friends. He was born in 1564 and he passed away from here in 1616. During his literary career, he has given immense knowledge to us, immense information about literature. He lensed very closely the writing skill. He lensed very closely the society. He lensed very closely the agriculture. He lensed very closely the political scenario that time. That time, situation was panic, situation was difficult, and society needs tremendous change. And Shakespeare had given through his literary skill, through his literary knowledge, through his literary information, and he really had given a lot of information he had given to us, really, and I accepted, and I want to convince you through the work of William Shakespeare. Friends, William Shakespeare faced a lot of difficulties. When I talk about his literary phase and early phase of life, then he faced a lot of difficulties in family, because not easy to handle, not easy to tackle for us. And I think only Shakespeare was the man who tackled the situation. Every year, one member passed away from his family. Every year, one member passed away from his family. His brother, his sister, his family members, father, mother, and many members, more than 10 members, every year passed away from his family. So not easy task to handle and tackle the situation of family. And in that critical and panic situation, he maintained writing skill. He maintained many things to give to posterity. It's great, and really I no doubt frequently and subsequently I said to you that this was the merit and greatness of William Shakespeare. My friends, after writing 37 plays, he also wrote 154 sonnets in the remembrance of his beloved and lover and friend W.H. Auden and Dark Lady. One lady, and who had an immense love, who had a lot of vision, imagination, but could not clear her name. Dark Lady and one friend W.H. Auden. So the whole collection of sonnets he had written in the remembrance and in the memory of both W.H. Auden and Dark Lady. Friends, and you know about a kind of poetry, sonnet. Sonnet, it is also a type of poem and which carries 14 lines, and everyone knows, and it's so simple. Sonnet, it is a type of poem and which carries 14 lines. and written in iambic pentameter. My friends, there are two types of sonnets, and I'm going to explain for your better understanding. What is sonnet? Sonnet, it is a type of poem written in iambic pentameter, carries only 14 lines, and Shakespeare wrote in this format, in sonnet format, and most of his sonnets, a collection of poems written in the same format. And before Shakespeare, Petrarch, Italian poet, and who had also given new concept of writing poetry, and in this way, in sonnet. And in that sonnet also 14 line, in this sonnet also 14 line. But let you say and let you ask me, sir, what is the difference between that sonnet and this sonnet? That sonnet and rhymic scheme is different, and whose rhymic scheme is different, and his rhymic scheme is different. And Shakespeare's rhymic scheme is three quatrains and two heroic couplet. Heroic couplet, it means a pair of sentences and ending with the same sound. So heroic couplet and three quatrains, and one quarter carries 4 lines. So 3 quatrains, 4 threes are 12, and one heroic couplet 2 lines, and it means 14 lines, and it carries 14 lines. And this is the concept, and this is the perception of William Shakespeare for writing sonnet. Italian sonnet was totally different than Shakespeare in rhymic scheme. Rhymic scheme, and 8 and 6, octave and sestet, written by Italian poet. But here I am talking about William Shakespeare, and he had given this concept of sonnet, for 3 quatrains and 1 heroic couplet. But my friends, and when I talk about his perception and vision of writing sonnet, is really great. You can not analyze the factual situation and the fact of William Shakespeare's life condition, what type of condition he was facing, and in what situation he wrote such kind of sonnets. Not only 1, 2, 3, and it's a big amount for a writer, because 154 sonnets, and it's not so easy, because it is also very large in number, and 37 plays. My friends, 37 plays is not a very small number of plays. So it is also large number of plays written by William Shakespeare. Friends, William Shakespeare's apart from sonnets and plays, long poems also, lyrical poems, long lyrical poems. In that, lyricism is sustainable, and you can find out the lyrical expectations from that poem, Venus and Adonis. I think very long poem, Venus and Adonis, and totally dealt by William Shakespeare's own experience. And another Lucrece and Lover's Complaint, and all these are the most important long lyrical poems written by William Shakespeare. And through these poems we can take a lot of benefits and lessons, because in our life also situation like that, sometime we face difficulty, sometime we face happiness, sometime we feel sadness, sometime we feel happiness, and sometime we feel pleasant atmosphere in family. So sadness, happiness, unhappiness, and peril, pain, grief, and these are the parts of life, and what Shakespeare faced in previous life. On the basis of experiences, Shakespeare had given information, ideas, perception, vision to us through his literary skill. Really, I appreciate Shakespeare's greatness, and Shakespeare's great skill of writing sonnets, plays, long lyrical poems. And through all these works, Shakespeare wanted to convey posterity and youth of the country, and not I'm talking about the youth of the country, the youth of the universe, across the world. He wanted to convey his experience through his literary skills. My friends, and it's also matter to be believed, and we have to accept that Shakespeare is not running only India. Shakespeare is running in entire world. The students of India also going to learn about William Shakespeare's perception, vision, concept, and writing skill and knowledge. And the same, the students of USA, the students of western side and the students of eastern side, and from each corner of the world try to learn about William Shakespeare's perception of writing. So it's great and great skill of William Shakespeare. My friends, this is the basic and the fundamental information what I have taken from books and teachers and I have given to you. So friends, I hope like that you understand better and you understood better in my this no, frank and open class. My friends, and if you understood well, then please subscribe and like this channel, and please comment in comment box and what you need, and if you need about other writers information and other works, then please comment in my comment box and I will try my best